Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out on Capcut just like this. Zoom in and the zoom out. Alright, so sit back tight and we continue right after the intro. Okay, so what you want to do is open Capcut. Alright, so once in Capcut, what you want to do is to import your media. So I'll just click on import and I select the media I want to import. Let me add it to the timeline and we just play it as it is. As you can see right now, there are no effects in the clip. Let's play it to the end. Okay, there's no effect in the clip. Okay, so to do a quick zoom, to zoom in and zoom out in Capcut is very easy and it's a straightforward process. So what you want to do is you click on the media in the timeline, and on this pane here, this panel here, you select the video tab and make sure it's on basic, and here you go to transform and click on add keyframe. This little check right here, you just click on it and you can see that it has added a keyframe. So in this video we will be adding 3 keyframes. The first keyframe will be to maintain the actual resolution of the clip. The second keyframe will be to modify the clip to add a zoom in, and the third keyframe will be to zoom out the clip, restoring it back to its original resolution. So let's do that just quick. So what you want to do is to come to a certain level of the clip, let's say this one, and you just add a keyframe like that. Make sure it's at 100, don't change that, and then you take the slider right where you want the zoom in to end. Let me just leave it here. I want it to end here, and here I add the second keyframe. Don't do anything yet. Go to where you want the adjustment to end, the zoom out to actually begin. You add the third keyframe. So now you go to the second keyframe and you click on it, make sure it's selected, and then you come on the scale. You can play along with this scale. Let me use the slider. Great. Let me take this right back where it is in the little white background. Okay, there's something here. Okay, as you can see, the scale is at 190%, 96%, and the other one is still at 100. Okay, so we'll just let this be and we play and see how it goes. So let's play it. Then the zoom out. Great. So depending on the spacing, the zoom in and zoom out can take a considerable number of times depending on the way you've spaced the keyframes, depending on the distance you've put between the keyframes. Let's say I take the keyframe and put somewhere beside. Let me keep them beside. You see how fast they transition. So let me start playing. The zoom in very fast, the zoom out fast as well. You can even make it to be even faster by bringing them even closer to each other. So let me just play that. The zoom in and the zoom out. So you can just continue playing with the spacing between these keyframes. You can play with the keyframes to see which position is best for your video clip. So guys, what I want to do now is I want to add some little speed to make it even more tangible. Okay, let me just put this flash out, select flash out, and you can see the output reduction of it. Zoom in, zoom out, and there it speeds and goes. So you can play with this curve. Let me set something like this. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, bring it back here. Let's play it. Okay, that's just how you get to play with the keyframes and curve. This curve is not really necessary because I just added it to make the clip look even more realistic and very more attractive to view. So guys, this is how you zoom in and zoom out on Capcut PC. It is very easy. What you need to do is just to add keyframes as shown earlier. You need to add at least 3 keyframes. You can add 4 if you want, but the minimum should be 3 because the first keeps the actual resolution of the clip, the second applies the zoom in, and the third applies the zoom out of the clip, restoring it to its original position. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and give it a thumbs up, and I catch you in the next